Hello students, welcome to the Rose Project. I myself, Mr. Kamblesar from Sri Chhatrapati Shivaji Vidyalaya, Apsinge, Military. Today we are going to see a very important topic from our section number 3. The number of that topic is 3.6. The name of that topic is group discussion. So, let us see the definition of group discussion. Group discussion is a formal discussion conducted on a topic among a group of 10 or 12 participants. Or another definition, a group discussion is a systematic exchange of information, views, and opinions about a topic among the members of group. So you understood the definition? It is a group activity. It is a two-way process. So let us see the structure of group discussion. There are two groups. Then a topic will be given for the discussion. Both the groups contemplate on it for a few minutes. Then the expert will listen both the groups and evaluate them. Then one of the group members will conclude or summarize it, and the duration of this discussion is of 10 or 15 minutes. So you understood the structure of or format of group discussion. Next important topic is what are the objectives of group discussion. So let us see, there are important objectives of group discussion. Those are to develop the skill of effective interaction, then to select candidate for different courses, to gauge whether a candidate possesses certain skills required for pursuing a particular course, to test knowledge and communication skills, and to understand a topic or concept deeply, and to improve communication skills, listening skills, thinking capacity, reasoning power, and etc. Let us see the important things to be done while the group discussion is going on. First and important thing is that there must be a proper planning and strategy. The beginning of your opinion must be impressive one. While you speak, you must establish an eye contact with the key participants. Then you have to use a strong voice and correct grammar. Do take counter argument gracefully. While attending that group discussion, you must be a good and attentive listener. There should not be interruption, and at last one of the candidate must summarize the main points of discussion. Students, as it is a group activity, it needs a special kind of planning and a special kind of language. To express your opinions, there is a specific way of expression. There is a particular language is there. That language we are going to see now. See, when you are going to express your opinions, you can say, I believe, or I think, or could I make a point, please, or in my opinion, or you can use it seems to me. Suppose you want to express agreement, you can say absolutely. You can start with you are right, or you can start with I fully agree with. Then when you are disagree with any point, you can begin your conversation or your point with the given one of the following sentences, such as I am afraid I don't agree with, or I am sorry, but I see it a little differently, or I can see your point, but, or you may have something there, but, or I respect your point of view, but I am sorry, I can't go along with you on. If you want to suggest something, you can begin your point of view with I think we should, or let's, or couldn't we, or don't you think we could. So, if you want to express opinion, you can take any sentence from these given sentences. One, what is your opinion on, or what do you feel about, or I wonder what do you think about. Or you can say, I would like to know your stand on. If you want to interrupt, you can use I am sorry to interrupt, but, or you can use excuse me, could I add something please? Or you can say that's true, sorry, but. In this way, you can use any construction from the given one. And while handling interruptions, you can say just a moment please, or could I finish what I am saying, or if you would just let me finish, or you can say could you wait for a minute please. And when one of the member who is going to summarize or conclude the group discussion, he can start his opinion, or he can start his summarization with to summarize or to conclude, or he can say we can conclude by saying, or he can say let us run quickly through the main ideas before concluding the discussion. These are the special ways that you have to use. Your language must be proper one, your language must be polite one, that there are listeners, there is an expert, so that your expression, your language must be good and appropriate one. Here, students, you can see one sample group discussion is given for your better understanding. All of you read it carefully and get it understand. Read twicely, and you will get the better idea how to write a report. In this way, we have seen today what is a group discussion, we have seen its definition, we have seen its format, we have seen its objectives, we have seen the language which is used for group discussion, and at last, this topic group discussion has 4 marks.